Good morning dear students. I will take revision from chapter 15. Name of the chapter 15 is the air around us. Air around us. How do we know the presence of air? We can't see the air, only we can feel the air, and moving air is called the wind. So on the basis of this, activity 1 is given to show that air occupies space. So for this activity you will read. And what is air made of? Air consists of water vapor, dust and smoke, oxygen and nitrogen, and carbon dioxide. And you know that 78% nitrogen and 21% oxygen, 21% oxygen and 1% other gases are present. Other gases just like the noble gases, helium, water vapor, argon, etc., neon, other gases. And question is arises here, what is the atmosphere? The envelope of air which surrounds our earth is called the atmosphere. And why mountaineers carry oxygen cylinder with them? Because when they will go high, the air becomes thinner and thinner, and volume of oxygen sharply decreases as high altitudes. So it is for the same reason that mountaineers find it difficult in breathing on high altitudes. That's why they carry oxygen cylinder with them. Respiration by organisms. In this activity 4, it is given that to prove that fresh water contains dissolved air, and to prove that soil contains some amount of air. When you have to, in this activity it is given that when you have to take 1 tablespoon soil and put it in the water, then you will see bubbles is coming out. So by this activity it is clearly proved that dry soil contains trapped air within its particles. Now, uses of air. The envelope of air, atmosphere, protects all living beings from the effects of harmful ultraviolet radiations coming from the sun, and that moving air is help in the dispersal of seeds and pollens of different kinds of plants, and air is compressed in the tires of vehicles which makes their movements smooth. And oxygen and nitrogen are separated from the air, and oxygen is used in hospitals for artificial respiration, and nitrogen is used for making fertilizers. That fertilizers is needed for the agriculture. And fast moving air is called the wind, and it is used for running windmills, and the windmills are used for drawing underground water, floor mills, and for the generate electricity. Fast moving wind helps in the movement of sailing boats and gliders. Wind is a means of travel for all flying birds. Air helps in the transmission of sound. Without air we can't hear. It is also useful for wind-based musical instruments. Substance, a material made of only one kind of particles. Components, the parts of a mixture. Organisms, any kind of living being. Smoke, suspended carbon particles present in air. Gravity, pull of the earth on the bodies. Atmosphere, the envelope of air surrounding the earth. Gases, the gas form of matter. Exchange, mutual exchange of components of or things by two substances. Respiration, the process by which the digested food reacts with oxygen inside the body of a organism. Air helps in the transmission of sound, and without air we can't hear, and it is also useful for wind-based musical instrument. Air we can't see but felt. It occupies any amount of space available, and moving air is called the wind. This is all about chapter 15, air around us, and you will take revision of this. And the atmosphere is very essential for the life. So till here you will take revision.